Diane in Denmark here. Rah, rah, rah. Good morning. It is Tuesday and here in Denmark it is beautifully sunny. I hope you can see me okay. Checking with you once again. We're working in our bedrooms this week, Flylady Zone 4, and I'm giving you the mission for today, plus we're talking about Hygge. I'm telling you what I do for my Hygge every day. Maybe you want to join in with that. But first off, let's get into the cleaning mission first. The mission for today is actually a declutter mission. As always, set your timer for 5 or 10 minutes. Look around the room, see what doesn't belong in here. Have you got any obvious junk? Maybe you've got newspapers lying beside the side of the bed that you thought you were going to read and never got round to. I don't have anything obviously junk in the room, so I've had a little look through some clothing. I've got some items that I can declutter. Woohoo, go me. I keep a bag in the bottom of my wardrobe, so anytime I find something that I'm not using, not wearing, it can also be things like perfume, gently used makeup, toiletries. I put them in the bag for our famous clothes swap parties. And actually the blouse that I'm wearing today, I got from a clothes swap. I handed it back to the clothes swap and I took it at the last clothes swap party. And actually today I'm quite enjoying it. I've paired it, I don't know if the camera can pick that up. I'm wearing my banana coloured jeans today, and I'm actually quite enjoying it today. So we'll see how it goes. It's on probation. Anyway, here are the items that I'm decluttering. This top came from a clothes swap party. I've worn it, but it just wasn't really me. So that is going back. Or what I might actually do with the clothes is I usually ask my bestie V, because she gets first dibs on things. She's also got 3 daughters. This is an old top of mine that I just haven't worn. I keep on avoiding it and it's just not working. The print is too big. So that is going as well. 1, 2. And a jacket, a blazer that I never wear. That is going. Oh, and also there was another blazer. I've got that in the wash at the moment. A creamy coloured blazer, and I'm going to ask Vibeke if she wants that, because I'm just not wearing it. Another blazer, and it's far too big for me, and I thought I would use it as kind of jacket for outside. And the colour is really nice, but I just kind of feel like, you know, David Byrne from the Talking Heads back in the 80s. So this one is going. And one last item, which is a white blouse, which we've had it in the dressing up box since the kids were really, really small, and it's been used for so many different things, but it's time for it to go, and it doesn't suit me. I don't like the style, so that is going. So quite a few items of clothing, plus a charger, an old charger, because you know when you get the new ones in, get rid of the old ones that are kind of broken, and that's going to electrical recycling. And then let's get on to some Hygge. This morning I had my coffee outside, and remember with these Hygge missions and self-care, it doesn't need to take a lot of time, but I just sat there for a couple of minutes. It was quite breezy this morning, but listened to the birds, enjoyed my coffee and my favourite coffee mug. For everybody who asked, my Yarp Narp mug, it's a reference to the movie called Hot Fuzz, one of my favourite movies. So I just really enjoyed that. And then my other Hygge mission for today fits in with today being Flylady Plan and Play Day. Now on Tuesdays, you can make it any day that you like. Tuesdays in Flylady Land is the day that you look at your calendar, see what's coming up. Do you need to do something for a birthday? Have you got bills to pay? Do you need to reach out to a friend that you haven't seen for a long time? I plan my menus on a Tuesday. I post them on my blog, dianedenmark.com. I've actually written down on my little self-care bingo cheat sheet, Hygge mission sheet, to research some not nice restos, but Nice restaurants. We're going to Nice for a small summer holiday. I love Nice. And we haven't been able to travel for so long, so we're going to Nice, and I'm just going to daydream a bit, and I'm going to look online, see which restaurants are still there, any of our favourites which are still open, and just have a wee look at that. And even if you can't travel right now, You can travel through the internet, you can travel through my travel videos. I've got a whole playlist of travel stuff. But it's just, you know, taking a little moment to plan something nice. So let me know what you're going to do for yourself. I've got plenty of ideas on my blog if you're looking for inspiration, dianedenmark.com, and I'll put a link below to the page with all the ideas. I'm going to get back to the family because they are around at the moment. And all I've got left to say is live long, prosper. May the Danish sunshine Hygge be with you. And I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday. Okay, bye for now.